I spent the last week testing 10 of the most hyped AI side hustles. The internet promises easy money, but can these tools put cash in your pocket? I ran a grand experiment to find out. Out of all 10, only 3 actually paid me real, withdrawable money. Today, I'll give you the unfiltered truth. We'll quickly look at all the tools I tested, then focus on the 3 winners that put cash right into my account. My mission was simple. For 7 days, I rigorously tested each platform. My only metric for success was withdrawable cash deposited into my bank or PayPal account. No platform credits or reward points. Many fell short. Some were buggy, others had confusing payout systems, and too many were just a bait and switch. But 3 of them stood out. They worked as advertised and paid me quickly, without hassle. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how they work, the precise steps to take to get paid. I've done the trial and error so you don't have to. Let's get started. All right, Section 2, the Contenders. I put 10 popular AI money-making platforms to the test, and now I'm giving you the quick rundown on all of them. Before we get to the 3 big winners, it's important to see the entire field I was working with. I looked at everything from content creation to sales and even micro gigs. Here's the full list. First up, Voice Scribe AI. This one is built for podcasters and video creators, offering automated transcription and text-based audio editing. It's designed to drastically cut down your post-production time. Number 2, Clipmaker AI. This tool is a dream for social media managers. It takes long videos and automatically creates short, engaging clips, perfect for platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Third on the list is SalesBot Pro. This is for sales teams and small businesses, promising to automate email follow-ups and website chat conversations to help qualify leads around the clock. 4 is ArtGen Studio, a powerful image and graphic generator. It's aimed at marketers and designers who need custom visuals for ads or content but don't have the time or budget for a graphic artist. At number 5, we have CodeBuddy AI. This is a programmer's assistant helping developers write code faster, find tricky bugs, and even learn new programming languages. 6 is Tutor AI. This platform is for students and lifelong learners, creating personalized, bite-sized lessons and quizzes on almost any subject you can think of. 7. ReviewGen, a very specific tool for e-commerce sellers designed to generate authentic-sounding product reviews to help build social proof and boost conversion rates. Number 8 is MarketSnap. This one targets digital marketers, helping them write high-converting ad copy and design entire marketing funnels from scratch. 9 is Lead Harvest, a B2B tool that finds and verifies contact information for business leads, which is incredibly valuable for sales and marketing outreach. And finally, number 10, TaskEarn AI. This is a Microtask platform where you can get paid for completing small, simple AI training jobs like data labeling or transcription checks. So, that's the lineup. On the surface, many of these looked promising, with slick interfaces and big claims. But the details are what really matter. My filter was simple and ruthless. Is there a clear, fast, and reliable path to actually making money? After digging in, only 3 of them truly passed that test. Kicking things off with our first winner, Lead Harvest. This platform is a fascinating twist on data enrichment, turning your simple research into a steady stream of passive income. It's all about connecting businesses with the contact information they desperately need, and you get a piece of the action. The concept is simple. Businesses are constantly searching for verified leads. Lead Harvest acts as a marketplace for this data. Our job as contributors is to provide the initial seed list. Basically, just a list of company names. You can find these anywhere, from industry directories to simple Google searches for top tech companies in California. Getting started was straightforward. I signed up, completed my profile, and connected my payout details. They offer standard options like PayPal and direct bank transfers, so you can choose what works best for you. You'll also need to fill out some basic tax information, which is a good sign of a legitimate operation. Next, I prepared my seed list. It was just a simple CSV file with one column, company names. I started with 50 companies from a tech startup directory I found online. Then, I uploaded the file. LeadHarvest's AI gets to work, scouring the web to find and verify contact information for key decision makers at those companies. The payout is where it gets exciting, ranging from about $1 to $5 per successfully sold lead. The processing for my initial 50 companies took about a day. After the AI finished, I had to review the matches. This is a crucial quality control step. I accepted the high-confidence matches and then listed them for sale with a single click. The results came in faster than I expected. 40 of my leads sold in the first week. My total payout for that first batch was $120. I immediately initiated a withdrawal to my PayPal, and the funds appeared in my account within 2 business days. I made sure to save the receipts for my records. Create your account. Open payment settings. Fill name, address, and tax info. Link PayPal for fast payouts. Bank works too. Create a simple spreadsheet. In column 1, list company names. Spell them exactly. Wrong, ABC. Better, ABC Corporation Inc. Export as CSV. Click Upload List. Select your CSV and upload. Wait for verification. Up to 24 hours. Review matches. Accept good ones. Open wallet. Request payment. Record your screen and save the receipt for proof. Clipmaker AI turned short text into clean videos. And it's sold. There's a marketplace. Brands buy ready-made clips. I signed up as a creator. Tools unlocked. Pick a template. No editing skills needed. I wrote very short scripts. The AI matched clips and music. I made tiny edits for polish. I listed 5, priced at $25 to $40. 2 sold to a small agency. After commission, my balance increased. Total earned, $65. Here's the simple path to your first sale. Sign up for Clipmaker AI. Study top sellers. Pick 3 templates that match trending styles. Write one-line scripts with a strong hook. Generate videos. Swap weak clips. Keep pacing fast. Make a batch of 5 in one session. Title clearly. Add 4 to 6 tags. Price $15, $35. Publish. When it sells, wallet updates. Request payout. Screenshot proof. TaskEarn AI pays you for tiny jobs that train AI. Sign up, pass a quick qualifier. Unlock better gigs. Label pics, verify text, type short answers. Check, check, check. Sort by pay. Pick the $3 to $10 tasks. Do the first one slow, nail the quality. Then batch the similar ones. Flow mode. I put in a few hours across 3 days, about 12 higher pay tasks. That totaled $85. I hit withdraw, PayPal or bank, got a confirmation. Money landed in 48 hours. Screenshot saved. After a week, the results were clear. Out of 10 tools, 3 paid, LeadHarvest, Clipmaker AI, TaskEarn AI, combined payout $270. Right now, real earnings come from your human value, research, creativity, and quality control. Stay safe. Strong passwords. Use 2-factor. Avoid upfront fees. Start small and verify payouts. Which one will you try first? Comment below and subscribe for more simple AI money tips.